Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can post a picture on your Pinterest account. So first of all, open the Pinterest app. Once opened, on the bottom of the screen you will see your icon with saved written underneath. Tap on the icon. Then once you reach this page, on the upper right side of the screen you will see a plus sign. Tap on it. Now to post a picture on your Pinterest, tap on the pin option. Now choose the photo you want to post, then tap on the next option once again. If you want to give a title to your photo, write a title in this place. Now you can also give a description about this pin slash photo, or and you can also add a link of the website. Then afterwards, when you do all of this, tap on the next option. Now you also need to create a board. Write a name in this box, then tap on the create option. So that's how you have posted a picture on your Pinterest account. So this much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.